there's a pedal. Okay? What do you think?
I can't reach
Listen.
it.
Oh, Christ, you can't reach it, you're really in trouble. Take your heel and push it down with your left foot on the heel on your left foot. Push the heel, put your toe up. Look, too short. There, see what you just did? So kick it
Together?
down, the heel.
Yeah, I did.
Pick it up.
Oh.
Okay? Okay, now, take your left foot and put your toe down now.
Okay.
Don't touch those, don't
Okay.
move those handles.
You can't lean on the handles.
Take your right foot and put your heel down.
Right
What
foot.
it does, it picks the bucket up. Now put your toe down.
That
Okay?
does this.
So your right foot moves the bucket this way, and your left foot picks the whole bucket up and down. Okay? So pick
Your
the
right
bucket
foot's
up,
tilt,
take
your left foot's
foot,
up and
put
down.
your heel down, pick the bucket up. Okay.
What your
Now
shins
pull
do.
both handles back. Just slowly. Okay? Okay, keep going. A little more, a little more. Okay, now push them both forward. Push them both forward. No, 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 not with your foot. Your handle. Okay, pick your bucket back up. A little more. A little more. Okay.
Okay.
Now, push them both handles forward. Don't do anything with your feet. Together. Same time.
I'm afraid they're running over.
Okay, now pull them back. Go back. Okay, now. Push one forward and pull the other one back. That's how you turn. Now go the other way.
I like it.
Holy shit.
Go
Dude.
back.
That's cooler than driving a train, huh, baby?
See, if you go back, it goes back. If you push forward, it goes forward. Go back.
I want to go there.
You're too close. Don't get close to that.